Alright, so today I'm welding a diff to my RX7. I bought a welder from Harbor Freight. I don't really know how to weld. I don't know anybody that can weld diffs, so I'm doing this shit myself. And so far, it's turning out okay. It looks shitty, but it looks okay. I'll show you guys real quick. Oh wait, I gotta do the other one.
Yeah, I got you.
See all that? It's shitty. I gotta clean it up, but I'll do the job. I ain't gonna like it's pretty fucking strong.
He's so dark, he didn't get you on camera.
Oh shit, it's okay. But so I gotta weld. I got done with this side. Looks shitty. Now I gotta do this side, and hopefully that'll last for a while.
After getting swept out of my minutes, I take them on the theory, don't forget that. No, I'm paying those cars. Look, I only got yeah, it was good. I don't do I lost those like 9-0.
Not bad, Randy. First time welding.
Alright. If you need to get your diff welded, don't come to me. So I just got done welding my diff. Now I gotta put it in the RX7 here. Maybe test it out. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
And you're working in sandals, I guess?
Yeah. Yeah. The Asian side of me. I like wearing chanclas.
Let me zoom in on that. Beat.
I didn't cut my toenails. Still good.
Hey, Randy, can you give us an update?
The update is I'm ashy. Look. Oh shit. Yeah, whatever. I'm ashy.
No, I'm talking about the diff.
The diff is halfway out.
Well, why is it nighttime? What took the longest?
I had to pee. I'm kidding. The rear mounts on the diff, they're a bitch to get to. So we have to lower the subframe, the rear subframe, and pry it just to get like enough room to take the bolts out. I didn't take them out. Jordan took one out. Cisco took one out. I was a little bitch. I rely on power tools. I don't rely on muscles. But we're halfway out. And hopefully we'll get it done by the night.
Shit, we have to get it done by the night.
I know.
The event's tomorrow.
Hopefully I don't give up and just say fuck it. But
Anti-drifter struggles.
oh yeah, my exhaust tips.
Damn, those are from my GTO.
Yeah, you know what's funny?
They're removable.
Quick release, nigga.
Alright, Randy, what's the update now?
He finally pulled the diff out. Finally. Look at this.
He's like, fuck putting on the jack, you just slide that bitch out and go fuck.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about that car no more. Fuck this car. I'm fucking 2J swapping. Fuck all the rotary people out there. 2J all day, nigga.
Damn. Shots fired.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you right.
2J all day.
2J.
More reliable. But this is the update. We got it out.
Wait. I don't think you should bash on your rotary right now because we have an event tomorrow and you don't want to jinx anything.
No, I'm kidding. You know, 13B all day. I gotta wait for my car to warm up so I can finally use my car.
Alright, what were you saying though?
We gotta throw this diff somewhere and then put that diff back on. That's the welded diff.
Dude, what happened if you ended up mixing it up?
It's kind of hard to. That one has a little block. This one don't.
So, a couple hours later, we're still not done.
No, we're not done.
You want to show them how what that welded diff looks like?
Oh, this is what the diff looks like. Both sides spin. Welded diff life.
Damn. Can't test it out till tomorrow. And you know what sucks? Tomorrow's the day of the event.
I know, right?
So
I still gotta bolt up some other things on the differential. I gotta tighten some suspension parts.
yeah, it's getting dark.
Getting dark.
It's like it's been dark.
It's been
It's
dark.
about to rain though.
Yeah, it's about to rain. It's drizzling here and there. I guess find out tomorrow if it works or not.